Some trees and plant up some can. Till up the side and rope up my farm. Man, I no time for sit down and keep calm. After work, perform. And much more another baby just born. The little youth them a belch and a yarn. Prepare for job, famine and storm. Papa Lucci come for nice something long. I am doing Jaweel. Moving on speed. I gotta make it over like this.
From starvation, it's the fight for liberation. People of the world who say love is the solution. We need a spark of revolution. While the children in the wars die from starvation, it's the fight for liberation. People of the world need love. Tell the little short of them to put down the gun. Tell the world leaders to stop build the bombs. And I tell the little soldiers to put down the gun. Now we're killing up the people and taking it for fun. All over the world we see so much blood around. Tell the world leaders we don't need no war room. Cause innocent babies gone in a tomb. Weapons of destruction now Babylon doom. We need a spark of revolution. While the children in the wars die from starvation, it's the fight for liberation. People of the world who say love is the solution. We need a spark of revolution. While the children in the wars die from starvation, it's the fight for liberation. People of the world need love. Tell the little warriors to put down the guns. I tell the world leaders to stop build the bombs. Let's disarm the world cause too much blood around. Stop the killing of the people and taking it for fun. No way to ride and miss no place to run. No judge a come in mad at the fire burn. Give thanks and praises in the morning sun. We need a spark of revolution. While the children in the wars die from starvation.
It's the fight for liberation.
People of the world who say love is the solution.
I need a touch of revolution.
Never let me go. I walk with you, Cha-Cha. Deep down in my soul, always hold my hand in a Cha-Cha. Never let me go. I still a walk with the Savior. Each and everywhere that I go. Still not left out the most high. I not left out the most high. I still a walk with the Savior. Each and everywhere that I go. Still not left King Tafari. I not left out the most high. Here's my hand, Oja. Could you walk with me? I'm alone, Oja. Could you talk with me? Oh yes. You are the reason me not in the market. And you give me peace now me heart all when me get rich and have 3 bodyguard and some big bad dog in me heart. I still a walk with the Savior. Each and everywhere that I go. Still not left out the most high. I not left out the most high. I still a walk with the Savior. Each and everywhere that I go. Still not left King Tafari. I not left out the most high. On my way to school, carry Jaja with me. All in the classroom, carry Jaja with me. In every lane and every crevice and corner. Still I see I see my me than dada. From me a little bit of pitney one order. So all when me turn grandfather. And I still a walk with the Savior. Each and everywhere that I go. Still not left out the most high. I not left out the most high. I still a walk with the Savior. Still a walk each and everywhere that I go. Still not left King Tafari. I not left out the most high. So I better walk with me. Amen.
The people about say hard, things get hard, things get hard. Home and abroad, ends now meet again. Dollars have no friends for the ends. Church people about to the Lord. Things get hard, things get hard. Most dire of circumstance. Oh, we calling but there's no response. Them said depression is a state of mind. We're trying to get over but the things ain't fine. We're rising up early in the morning time. Yet no man know I wait in line. In the city, in a pretty, the leaders get pretty. Some afraid so them sound the alarm. Beg the youths them to come. Hey. We need food but a fool them a farm. The people about say it hard. Things get hard, things get hard. Home and abroad, ends now meet again. Dollars have no friends for the ends. Church people about to the Lord. Things get hard, things get hard. Most dire of circumstance. Oh, we calling but there's no response. In their mind them think them safe. From the system them put in place. I try to treat the underprivileged like a slave. So it cannot stop misbehave. Uptown will be burning down. Downtown man asleep on the ground. Siren a ring out and the people a shout. We need justice, them balling out. The people about say it hard. Things get hard, things get hard. Home and abroad, ends now meet again. Dollars have no friends for the ends. Church people about to the Lord. Things get hard, things get hard. Most dire of circumstance. Oh, we calling but there's no response.
Now tell me if you see it like me. The words they speak are not true on TV. How can things be getting better when so much people still are suffer? Them say things that get better but we can't see it. Can't see it, we can't. Them say money are run right and all but pocket still I feel it. Still I feel it. Can't sleep at night because we stress out. Every month and that talk about kick out. Make our ends now meet. People line up on street. Change is what we need. Tell me if you're going through this, working all day and night and still can't live a good life. Tell me if you're going through this, the money where you make done before it reach your hand, my friend. Tell me if you're going through this. Now no money for gas stars, so you can't to drive your car. Tell me if you're going through this. Every day I wonder if no better life, no dead for you. Them say things that get better, but we can't see it. Can't see it, we know, but back is still I feel it. Still I feel it. Can't sleep at night because we stress out. Every month and that talk about kick out. Because ends now meet. People line up on street. Change is what we need. Tell me if you're going through this, working up overtime and still can't pay your bills on time. Tell me if you're going through this, the work you work so hard, still can't be the you them on your yard. Tell me if you're going through this, tears run from your eye when you look over your life at night. Are you going through this? Every day I wonder if no better life, no day them here. Them say things that get better but we can't see it. Can't see it, we can't. Them say money I run right and all but back still I feel it. Still I feel it. Can't sleep at night because we stress out. Every month and that talk about kick out. Because ends now meet. People line up on street. Change is what we need.
So many times you are on your last dime. People see a smile, don't know what you're going through inside. Yeah, working so hard, but still ends not meet. Sometimes you want to believe, no better, no day if you really.
Yeah, things that get better, but we can't see it. Can't see it, we can't. Them say money I run right and all, but back is still I feel it. Still I feel it. Can't sleep at night because we stress out. Every month and that talk about kick out. Because ends now meet. People line up on street. Change is what we need. Them say things that get better, but we can't see it. Can't see it, we can't. Them say money I run right and all, but back is still I feel it. Still I feel it. Can't sleep at night because we stress out. Every month and that talk about kick out. Because ends now meet. People line up on street. Change is what we need.
City busy once again.
Highly. Ah, boy, you never want me, forever burning. And you see when the tables turn, me say I love her, I and I preaching. So every land of hate will burn. I was there when the ships came and chastised her in a Jesus' name. Wonder if me crazy, wonder if me sane, but the whole of Rome go up in a flame. And nothing to me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. And I know nothing to me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. God, them I wonder how a little African I go burn down the whole in a Vatican. But I know nothing to me walk in a room, start a fire, start a fire. I go home, the whole demographic. And when me talk, I mean no hypocritic. When me say Roma, I eat no geographic. But if I you feel wear the cap, then I you will have it. When me say Rome, me a talk about lion. I listen, I the power of the giant. The eagle and the dragon and the bear a spit fire, but them can't overthrow the conquering lion. Listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn, and not me alone at the over evil. Say today Rome will burn. No nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. Yes, no nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire. Me say a fire because them a ask how a little African I go ignite the whole in a Vatican. But I know nothing for me walk in a room start a fire. Yes I know me alone. I call a come Teflon a walk with the eye collar bun. And when you feel a earthquake shake down a ground and a gun. A shades that a come. I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. And I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. And them a ask how a little African I go ignite the whole in a Vatican. And I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. I'm to listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn. I know me alone as a over.
The wings on a glide, and I give thanks for life and everything that she provides. Watch we cramp and paralyze, yeah, you wicked on them plight. Kabaka get the vision. vision through him third eyesight.
Them never know say me a breed them. With me peripheral vision I see them. Say them want me jump off like the leaf on the tree them. Pass me the fire key make me steal them. Them know the good they do the evil. Hypocritical them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon. Them know the good they do the evil. Hypocritical them only come here to deceive you. Them know the good they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon.
Incinerate them with consuming fire. Wicked stuff we melt well like tire. We don't care if them a listen to the wire. Burn a soul seller and a buyer. Cover down them dirty empire. None of them can't tell we nothing. The whole of them greedy and glutton. Can't yam with flesh like mutton. Could the mama heard the vampire them want go. Kabaka and earthquake wash the whole place go open. None of them can't escape. Whether the judgment early or late, we not negotiate. Skin fi get back, yeah. And fi out of them judgment, yo, we not hesitate.
Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon. Them never know say we did up on the thing in Africa where the black man was crowned king. Civilization, now that's how we go bring. We take them from the wilderness, go see Papa the spring. Now them turn round slave through the little money thing. More the pray we have traditional living. Them scientists and architects, them can't stop the pyramid building. So me people, them kill for a shilling. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon.
On the heights and the wings and a glide. And I give thanks for life for everything that she provides. Watch me cramp and paralyze the wicked on them plight. The walk height alone we get the vision on the side. We show them how to live and how to dress and how to eat. But still they want to splash with blood on the concrete.
And enough get a youth, now no shoes on them feet. Babylon system make them life no so neat.
When I go stop the work, still the mission complete. Me know the buckle out, but the victory I go sweet.
Me show the rest of you, them say them nothing compete with them one another when them trot through the streets. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn I burn down dirty Babylon.
Kill me again. If you never kill me, you're brave. Yes, I. And we say, can't kill me again. If you never kill me, you're brave. Yes, I. And we say, Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. We say, good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me, Here comes the hot stepper. Fire burning hotter than paper. That song you written proper than later. Protected from the crown of my head, straight down to the very soul of the crepe, Me have a chat for them send gunshot poison care accident. Long time them a try lock off my oxygen, but Jah in control, can't take me soul. Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Me say, good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Them put poison in a liquor, try curse me. A good thing, me no drink, me no thirsty. From the day my mother birthed me, still I see I hurt me, nobody can hurt me. Them disguise Jezebel in a the biggest way. Send her come to give me the biggest A. Chronixx left her in dismay. A long time them a try up until this day. Me say good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me again. Me say Jah over evil, life over death. Me say them can't kill me again. Can't kill me again. If you never kill me, I'm ready. Whoa. Them did want me fi apart, me bet me dead. But unfortunately them never know such a want me set the trend. Fi come step on snake and fatty leg. Good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. And me say, yeah. Over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. And me say, good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me. Yeah, Kabaka and bass. Long time. Yes, I.
You fight us down, them now want see we sit on the throne. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the cobra, tradition of the shona. Cheers back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, them I call that Medonecha. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I praise a the leper, we praise his Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me said the ank is better, eh. We now want to no beretta, rise up. Because take a life up, just sip the better life up, eh. None of no pressure, make sure exercise up. And be careful of the one we teach you, Jesus Christ up. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws, no Haile Selassie are the leader, they on the battlefield, yeah. Humble as a lamb, me just a follow the procedure. Rastaman a healer, beast get trample on the heel, yeah. Me bust up every seal where them seal, yeah. Read a couple chapter, then reflect up on the fact of them. Focus on the acronym, for open up my chakra them. Seated in the lotus, me a soak up all the oxygen. Kemetic yoga, me bring over from the continent. Africa, that's where we wanna be. We living in a poverty, cause of the economy. Capitalistic and the materiality. We no see reality, only periodically. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Send me on a rebel on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the cobra, tradition of the show. Now cheers back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, me call that Medonecha. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I peace a cure the leper, with praises Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me said the ank is better. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. Haile Selassie are the leader, they on the battlefield. Humble as a lamb, me just a follow the procedure. Rastaman a healer, beast get trample on the heel. Me bust up every seal with them seal. Read a couple chapter, then reflect upon the fact of them. Focus on the acronym, open up my chakra them. Seated in the lotus, I just soak up all the oxygen. Kemetic yoga, me bring over from the continent. Africa, that's where we wanna be. We living in a poverty, cause of the economy. Capitalistic and the materiality. We no see reality, only periodically. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Send me on a rebel on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. No, don't you fight us down, yeah. Don't you fight us down. Don't you fight us down. Them no wants to we sit on the throne. Burning fire, you know. Yeah man, show them say yeah, we're up on the battlefield. Only the righteous warriors can see the victory, you know. And the Selassie I lead the way, you know. Empress Melanite. No, yeah, a green lion now.
As we travel slowly, yeah, we need each other. Oh, well, I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. Yeah, I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. Yeah. No man is an island, no man stands alone. Hey, hey, all for one, one for all. Me nah see that, none at all. No. Let's get back to the chain of life and find the missing link. Yeah. Open up our minds and universalize the way we think. The way we think. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. When life's burden gets heavy for your shoulders to carry, you need a friend or family, someone who's a company. Don't be afraid to ask, for have to survive the stormy blast. Reach out and you may find help is on the line. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. One more life gone down the drain. As I woke up this morning and turned the radio on, I heard the news bulletin, another man dead and gone. He was another victim of the bullet and the gun. It seems there was a hit on him, the way they shot him down. We've been waiting and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been waiting and mourning, another loved one is gone. Some blame it on the system for what is going on, but it's up to our thinking to do what's right from wrong. To divide and rule is the down presses plan. So they give us their tool of death and destruction. Now we've been wailing and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been waiting and mourning, another loved one is gone. Oh Lord, loved ones crying, and for God we pray. Good night to all the saints that feel. Of this tribal war, blood against blood. Tell me people, when will this thing stop? They make the weapons of death and destruction, and we keep using it to destroy our nation. We've been waiting and mourning, another brother's on the ground.
I wake up rolling the country just to free my mess. Over time, cloud the mind, I can't lose my head. Go and tell the farmer I need the bread. It's his own adventure road. Look at the people suffer, yet they work so hard. Gotta be smart, gotta be free, wisdom is your reward. Think of your family and search yourself. Don't you go hurting yourself. Celebrate life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing but nice. Life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go
and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Hear from a girl like my nursery. Baby, this month is our anniversary. We're looking sexy, baby, as I mentioned. Because I'm taking you somewhere special. You know it's not my time, not the weather. When you have got someone that's even better. Stop the war and let them talk whatsoever. Let us get together and celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them without life, nothing no nice. Good to be here, good to be around. Spread the word, one love is the sound. People and the color people, them get bound. Wicked man in there, wicked deeds, see them drowning. Dance and praise unto Jah. No matter what, I touch and make it happen. So all the way I go on. We are celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go on, tell them. Oh, life is such a be a waste and a be a Teflon, the hang for burning. Yes, I be a fire, you know. Me Giddimani boot man and yes, and the demon get a face cut. Hey, them know me not too long and me not shave up. I look at what drive up, you hold your head up. And you may say, Bobo man, I tell you straight up. No more shall you slave us, or under pay us. I choose some people licky and no rate us. Them never motivate us, them only degrade us. Only famous when me know a club famous. Hey, church business not in the great demand again. Cash pot pants on dead that kick where all of them. We need some good coaches with the man of them. Stop import and embrace up the farm of them. Baby mother make the pitney know the fan of them. A father love shot embrace and the fan of them. Can't sit down, watch where them and do ask for them. Mine of them send the coach them fi grab off of them. Them a beg me some bunting fi not talk again. The suit where him a share me said fit all of them. And youth them send a smoking pan the corner them. They'll craving here fi keep on of them. Giddimani boot man and heads up the demon get a face cut. Hey them know me not too long and me not shave up. I look at what drive up, youth hold your head up. And you may say Bobo man I tell you straight up. No more shall you slave us or under pay us. I choose some people licky and no rate us. Them never motivate us, them only degrade us. Only famous when me know a club famous. Hey, walk to some man ready to walk with the fire. I go a bubble in and scratch mark with the fire. Malburn, we keep it from the heart with the fire. Yo, me tell them you're the heart and the fire. Them bury them wrong in them way. Yeah, Judge, I know that one day they're gonna make. Yeah, I'm overcoming such feelings. Yeah, Judge, before take my head. I see them bury them wrong in them way. But Judge, I know that one day they're gonna make. Yeah, I'm overcoming such feelings. Yeah, Judge. Me Giddimani boot man and legs up the demon get a face cut. Hey them know me not too long and me no shave up. I look at what brave up, youths hold your head up. And you may say Bobo man I tell you straight up. No more shall you slave us or underpay us. I choose some people licky and no rate us. Them never motivate us, them only degrade us. Only famous when me know a club famous. Hey, church business not in the great demand again. Cash pot pants on dead that kick where all of them. We need some good coaches fit the ball of them. Stop import and embrace up the farm of them. Baby mother make the pitney know the fan of them. A father love shall embrace and the fan of them. Can't sit down, watch where them and do ask for them. Mine of them send the coach them fi grab off of them. Them a beg me some bunting fi not talk again. The suit where him a share me said fit all of them. A youth them send a smoking pan the corner them. They'll craving here fi keep on of them. Giddimani boot man and yes, the demon get a face cut. Hey them know me not too long and me no shave up. I look at what brave up, youth hold your head up. And you may say Bobo man I tell you straight up. No more shall you slave us or underpay us. I choose some people licky and no rate us. Them never motivate us, them only degrade us. Only famous when me know a club famous. Hey.
Lord, the word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun.
So listen to the messenger I touch love. Use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Mighty full power complete jammer them. Go well. Some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is he that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to your messenger, it's giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up your lyrics and grammar them. Words sound and power complete hammer them. Down, down. Hey. Use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down, down. Them and them one I got. Them and them one I got. Them busting up the place and swear to God set them bad. But I'm mad, I'm mad. No man no better than Master God. Cause he will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey Lord, use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Word sound and power come fi jammer them. Down, down. Use your words and armor them. Hey Lord, God life. Get up now, straight to the goddamn creation, babe. Get up now, yeah. Say anyway, your army go. I get man will follow, and anyway, your army go. Rasta man will follow, 'cause anyway, your army go. Kabaka man will follow, anyway, your army go. I will follow to the ends of the earth, to the depths of the sea, to the highest mountain, to perform your work. I'm ever ready. From the words were spoken, from the days of anciency, it was ordained to be. I fulfill my destiny. What is to be must be. Say anyway, your army go. I get man will follow, and anyway, your army go. Rasta man will follow, yes, anyway, your army go. Kabaka man will follow, anyway, your army go. And I will follow. We fight against the Amorites and destroy the Philistines. 10,000 to my left and 1 million by my right, fighting with all of might. Oh, Jah is battalion strong, fighting all day long, defending the poor and the meek of the land. On creation, say anyway, Jah army go. Anywhere, I get man will follow, and anyway, Jah army go. Rasta man will follow, 'cause anyway, Jah army go. Anywhere, Kabaka man will follow, anyway, Jah army go. Anyway, I will follow.
From centuries upon centuries ago, from the days of antiquity, the vanguards of the faith have journeyed through time and space into the periphery of existence. We have come to destroy the forces of evil and obliterate the workers of iniquity and witchcraft. With righteousness, we eradicate and annihilate the evildoers of the earth.
To the ends of the earth and the depths of the sea, to the highest mountain, perform your works, I'm ever ready. Once the words were spoken,
Anywhere your army go.
anywhere, anywhere,
Rasta man
never get from the days know. And anyway, Jah me go. So Rasta man will follow you. With the Jah. You know the Jah is bigger than life, is larger than death. He gave the natural wonders of earth in you, blue breath. And the sooner you stop and give yourself a check, is the sooner you realize you're a total wreck. But Jah is there, He never leaves you. He really cares, He won't deceive you. Jah never fail yet, never fail yet. Yes, Jah is there, He never leaves you. He really cares, He won't deceive you. He never fail yet, Jah never fail yet. No, no. Jah has blessed me and guided me with His hands. He saved my life and turned it right around. I feel the vibe every call I call on His name. He is my guiding light and my ever-burning flame. Oh yes, He's there, He never leaves me. He really cares, that's what He showed me. Jah never fail yet, Jah never fail yet. Yes, Jah is there, He never leaves you. He really cares, He won't deceive you. Jah never fail yet, Jah never fail yet. No, no. My mind is all set on the Most High Jah, for the works Is manifested in me forever. Joy is everything. He is like running free. Tell that we be free. You know that Jah is bigger than life, is larger than death. He gave the natural wonders of earth in you, He blew breath. And the sooner you stop and give yourself a check, yes, is the sooner you realize you're in a total wreck. But Jah is there, He never leaves you. He really cares, He won't deceive you. Jah never fail yet, never fail yet. Yes, Jah is here, He never leaves me. He really cares, that's what He shows. Them done dead already, from them not of the Almighty. Yes, them done dead already, from them I forget reality. Them done dead already, them better keep it from me. Them done dead already, them a walk in the beat. Should them fight against the roots and culture. That's why them a live like vulture. Yes, them fight against the right tradition. That's why them get caught up in Babylon. 400 years so long, and still they're living wrong. They don't wanna live as one. All of them a live like Taliban, but them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Say them done did already. From them I fight against reality, Lord. Them done did already. Them better keep it from me. Them done did already. Them a walk in the beat. I jankro and I'm out them conscience for dollars and cents. Them a sell out them looks and them conscience like them don't have no sense. All those who laid the foundation no get no recompensation, and still this young generation don't seem to care one damn. That's why them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done did already. From them a fight against reality. Yeah. Them done
from me. Them done it already, got them a walk in the peace. Now for them a open sepulchre, sell up for rice and bulgur. That's why them moving so vulgar, kindling the wrath of child. But I'm gonna have to teach them the roots, so they can know the truth and stop living like brutes. It's my warning to youths and youths who know done dead already, from who no love the Almighty. Yes, who know done dead already, if who no fight against reality, Lord.
I never ask you, not know what you tell me. I beg you daily to cease and still you keep talking. The granny tell me from your little baby, he that keep at his mouth shall stay out of problem. Hear me? It seems like you is a news carrying jail, so I ain't carrying on. Same out that chatter with me will chatter of me, murder rap big in farm. Oh Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Deep problem. Whoa, hey, oh Jay. Say see a kaya mountain. You a go weak. Say see a kaya teeth. Creation make a ball. See a kaya mount. Every thief is a liar. Every liar is a thief. Yes. Remember you tell me Teflon hate me. So what? Then you tell Teflon Chronixx say him like a dose of poison. Don't believe it. You're wicked. Oh man. Yes. You tell me woman say me have another lady. Then you tell me say she have a man well live a high rise. Murder amount of my seed. I saw me know you is a news carrying jail. So I ain't carrying on. No, same out that chatter with me will chatter off me mouth. Murder rap big in farm. Oh Jay, oh Jay. Your mouth I go put you in a problem. Deep problem. And nobody never tell my word. Oh Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Problem. Oh, you a go ball. Say see a kaya mount. Creation a go weak. They say kaya teeth. So you a go ball. See a kaya mount and every thief is a liar. Every liar is a thief. Chronixx, your mouth never eats no sleep, no slumber. So me know you is a Peter plunder. Come like in a fear the man will roll the thunder. So me feet all cast 32 teeth asunder. Oh Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Deep problem. And nobody never tell my word. Oh Jay. Welcome Chronixx, the deliverer, deliverer, boy, deliverer, boy. Me say we lose faith in the preachers. The youth them need a teacher because Papa in my ball send no money in a wallet. Mama she a ball on gripping pan her forehead. Cousin in my cry say him and poverty married. Him no eat no food from last week. Plus the little pitney them a ball. Santa never bring a barrel. Never bring the present and him never bring the Sahara. The three stooges were in a parliament a quarrel. Tell them still a CI issue a warning. The cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you, Mr. Man, in your Benz and your Rover. Whoa. The cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over. A judgment. For you, Mr. Man, in your brain. Walking to the youth, them on the side, mixing concrete and mortar. Can't afford the light and them still thief in water. Mama, she a cry, can't see school fee for data. But she find the offering for give thief in pasta. A lamp powder, lightning and thunder. When the youth them fed up and frost. Babylon fall like lumber, get gas asunder. When the lightning set up and flash. When the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over. A judgment. For you, Mr. Man, in your Benz and your Rover. When the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over. A judgment. Yes, I Babylon asks Chronixx, how do you tell?
This is how it goes. Sing fence. Come back with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. Mid dash a fire on the beast. Them run them over with the beat. And step in the face with me cleat them. Chuck them off in the deep end. Like how they sharp with the teeth. Them fi eat them. Rhythm a kick and a beat. Lyrics a bust it up in the street. Them mid dash a fire on the pedophiles and rapists. The reason why them stray is them eat the tripe and crayfish. Look on the marriages, them legalize, I'm saying the system needs to clean up right away, king. Coming with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat, still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Don't catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much operation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know, Ethiopia me a be reach. When me talk about the beast, yes, me a talk about police. Them where you walk about the street like them a dog without no leash. And the beasts are the companies we farm without no seed. And I breed the flipping chicken, them we born without no beef. And the beasts are the country, them we colonize my continent. We modernize me uncle them and sodomize me auntie them. Me dash a fire upon the whole of them. Waiting patiently until the reincarnate. Them flipping soul again. We dash it on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Like they flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks, if we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Rome catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much operation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know, Ethiopia me a be beach. Me dash a fire on the beast, them run them over with the feet. Then step in the face with me cleat them. Chuck them off in the deep end. They go the shop with the teeth, them feet eat them. With them a kick and a beat. It's a bust it up in the
Sent by the king, watch them wandering when me fly down far. We step on the beast and kick down with him like a slide down bar. We burning the system, we tell the youths if we fight gun war. Uplifting me sister, tell us see I love Sar. We love Wally, Babylon the system falling. But this is just the beginning, beginning of the grand finale. Finale because eventually we get the cause. If we stand up tall and if we gang up cause united, we stand divided, we fall and we love. Whoa, walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie are the leader. Praises be to the kings of kings, Alpha and Omega. Oh, Selassie are the leader. Oh, Alpha and Omega. Guiltiness is on their face and bloodshed on their shoulders. Turn from your sinful way, yeah, before lightning strike all over. Well, if a atrocity where your cause can get to you, then you have the audacity fi come give me gun fi shoot. And I chat how you like the city, well this is the ugly truth. When you bring all the guns come give me give it to my recruit. Big revolution, one time the guns them turn pon the old politician. We bring it come in the first place, I should have fun education. We make the youth them learn, instead of buy ammunition. And you want come run the next term, go run up under your bed. Boy, put your hand on your head. Me terrible and me dread, corrupted politician. Feed want me to coral garden, don't active valid garden. Coming like a pre every garden, no revolution, reach every garden. Go put this up in the greener, me want it reach every reader. If you not live like Haile Selassie, you not fit for big Chronixx leader. Well, Walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie the leader. Praises be to the Kings of Kings, Alpha and Omega. Hear the children say, oh, 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 Selassie the leader.
Must sell information like food. Them not real, them a fake, them no fit in a the zone. Not them biggest mistake. We have got take with them clown. Them not real, them a fake, them no fit in a the zone. Not them biggest mistake. We have got well done, big surprise. Them never know say that we know them a spies. I tell lies of disguise. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them a spies. I tell lies of disguise. What's up with this little laddie? It seems like informing a him hobby. Never stop until him inform for the wrong smarty. Hear from over yonder how much them find him body. They tell him low people business because keep them lifestyle don't eat no rigid. Them stupid, them a chat about them wicked. Run them out of the village. Now make them come to find the little kids. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies are disguise. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies are disguise. Them a selling foundation. Every minute them gone down a station. Then now who them a blackmail. Them a rub them out like say them a fractal. Me know say smarty a pay them. Find out say them gone the other way then. Every day them a watch bout. Little more you see the boy them got chat bout. Yo, hey, big surprise. Them never know say that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. Them no real, them a fake. Them no fit in the zone. And them biggest mistake. Get them out of the town. Them no real, them a fake. Them no fit in the zone. And them biggest mistake. We have got the goddamn crown. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. We got to work this road. Get out some boy, them come like circuit board. And them know for do it just a lab of them tongue. Well right you know the backstabbers are got down. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies. Them a fi
Push up the lighters, whoa, whoa, yeah, push up the lighters. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, me and my brother them good. Me never grudge Teflon. Family me deal with me bun, yes man. In a interview them ask enough question. Them want know where me born and where me come from. Tell them De La Vega same time. They saw me born right on the train line. 10.5 so Chronixx a game time. And if a brother not ask me say me we share mine with them. Share it like a good news. Cause me love my family like a cook food. Late in the hours and night we cook food. Every plate of it full up of rice and good stew. Hey, let me see some lighter. From your nose say you feel alright. I miss a love defeat all evil. That song you have to clean out people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Ay, clean like a whistle, oh, clean like a liquor whistle. Ay, ladies in a shades. Now watch your face, daddy bands. Clean like a whistle and a same so we born. You believe in me and everywhere me perform. People as say on the dear to me heart. Zion, Kelly said don't say your words. In fence them can't say we sound never work. Hey, Teflon all the crown them a yours. Couldn't help but fi write it down in a words, yeah. Because me certain, who no not trade me fi none of the pearl them. Enough people a walk on road in a clean clothes, but them hearty want detergent. Hey, so make me see some lighter. If you know so you feel alright. I miss a love defeat all evil. That song you fi clean out people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle. Like a whistle, I clean like a liquor whistle. Clean like a whistle, like a whistle. Yes, I clean. Chronixx. No, you're not. No, you take my youth. You never chop. Don't you know that? Don't you know? No, you're not. No, you take my youth. I listen us, teaching us the truth. And me no plan to go on a barber. Rastafari the father. Every day fasting and prayer. People I wonder how me no maga. The boss I tell me fi chop it. Thunderbolt fi employer. Now sell me soul fi no be my prefer. Ride around in the ladder. Long time, Babylon I try. Rasta still a strive higher. Whoa yo, a long time society I try. The Rasta man survivor, yeah. No, you're nothing. No, you take my youth. I never stop. Don't you know the truth? Why? No, you're nothing. No, you take my youth. Oh, I listen us, teaching us the truth. Oh. I do them want me blending, them perfect cottage dreadlocks. But I want stand out just like the little red spot. I shine in the dark just like the little bright light. No afraid fi talk and I defend the night right. Tell the youth them for wise and be intelligent. Them treat me like a alien, the fifth element. Try give me the truth and say Chronixx give them. Go burn Babylon and do no sorry for them. Cause a long time the whole of them a try, but Rasta man a strive higher. Oh yo, a long time society a try, but the Rasta man survive higher. Oh, no you're not it. No you take my youth and never stop. Don't you know the truth? And looking at yourself. No you're not it. No you take my youth. I listen us, teaching us the truth. And they say you lost a far, the ruler of the earth. Long time them a try, but nothing could ever work. And you lost a far, the ruler of the world. And every boy and girl. Oh yeah. Babylon a try. Oh. Wonder if you know what I mean. Is the absent man what you want from me? He's out. And himself, Rastaman be low. I know you have it there. Rastaman be low. Come over here. I say, officer, ease out. Don't you have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't you judge me by my hair. I was yachting down the lane, and I buck up in a old blue sea. And he asked how my eyes so red. I say it's the good old Cali green. And him say, Rastaman be loud. I know you have it there. Rastaman be loud. Come over here. And I say, officer, ease out. Don't you have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't you judge me by my hair. See my ear up tight like a Taliban. And him sure say me got it man. I And in my search for a spliff, couldn't find it. Never know say me is a chalice man. It's not a recent thing and a Chronixx one. It is an ancient tradition. It is a gift to the wise and a long time. Them a steam in Afghanistan, Indian and Pakistan. Not to mention African. The best indeed in the West Indies, burning by the rivers of Babylon. Westmoreland, everybody swat. West in the brain, Panamatic cup. So Mr. Officer make we talk, yeah, because of the same one in a Chronixx pocket. And I don't know it going to work it out with the rasta man like me. Say, I've been steaming from morning till my eyes got red, and I don't got no more. Can I do for myself? Him say, Rasta man wheel out, I know you have it there. Rasta man wheel out, come over here. And I say, officer, ease out, don't you have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't you judge me by my hair. Say that the smell of the good old trees. Rastaman, what can you do for me? Me say, Rastaman wheel out, I know you have it there. Rastaman wheel out, come over here. And I say, officer, ease out, don't you have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't you judge me by my hair. Regular walking pants on the morning, everything nice and easy. Me just garden figure me yard figure, put on me rice and peas. One Martinique up the road with me and the old blue sea. All inspector pan get grease ready so DC don't disturb my peace. And they say, officer, ease out, come on in the go pantry. Officer, ease out, cause you not cunning like me. And they say, Rastaman, ease out, go run up in the Jeep. And I say, officer, cool out, you can't run faster than me. You can run faster than me. I say you can run faster than me. No, you can run faster than me. No, you can run faster than me. Boy. Yeah, some people feel like they're smarter than Rasta. You can run faster than smarter than who? Can't take my little chip and save it from me, man. I say ease out.
Not for me, no. I'd rather live my life alone than to be out in Babylon road. I'd rather live my life in peace than to be running like a holy girl in Babylon streets. No matter what street like up and down love. Be careful how you even cough. If I do turn around fi pop it off. From a pin to a double roacher. Have to be a renegade, we can't fade. As a samurai I shout and I play. Have to be militant, we not ram. Green vigilante in a Jamaica. Yes, I try to be slow and low. As I yard my way back home, I'd rather live my life in peace than to be rolling up and down like a thief in Babylon streets. Lord, well, some folks don't know what to do. I got nice deal I try to go through. To be amongst the chosen few, being humble, faithful and true. I made up my mind to serve the Almighty to the end. Oh, inspiring my people so that they can all come to the end. So I try to be slow and low as I get my way back home. I'd rather live my life in peace than to be running like a Lego grease in Babylon street. Life, I'm no street like I've been all love. Be careful how you even cough. My youth and no ramp fi pop it off. From a pin to a double boat shaft. You have to be a renegade, you can't pray. As a messenger I sharpen, I play. Have to be militant, we can't run. Vigilante in a jar and we come. Yes, I chop this road alone. As I got my way back home, I rather live my life in peace than to be running like a woolly goat in Babylon street. I turn it one away, turn it one away. Yes, I tried this road alone. As I had my way back home, I rather live my life in peace than to be running up and down like a thief in Babylon Street. Babylon Street, Babylon Street. Oh, yeah. Take me there, Lord. Yes, I hear of a place where nobody lies. I hear of a place where nobody dies. So take me there. This place called paradise. Take me there, where everything is nice. Oh, sweet Beulah land, holy place, Mount Zion, Beulah land, my soul is calling thee. Oh, I hear of somewhere where the ancients dwell. Yes, I hear of a place where everything is well. Oh, yeah. Beulah land, holy mount like Zion. Beulah land, my soul is calling thee. Oh, yeah. Beulah land, holy mount of Zion. Beulah land, my soul is chanting thee. Oh, yeah. At this point in time, when every conscious mind is trying to find a place of rest, it's imperative for me to find a way to cut free from this land of pain and misery. So I flee to Beulah land, holy mount of Zion. Beulah land, my soul is calling me. Oh, yeah. I hear of a place where nobody dies, and I hear of a place called paradise. Oh, yeah. I say Beulah land, holy mount like Zion. Beulah land, my soul is calling me. Oh, yeah. I say Beulah land, sweet Beulah land, holy mount of Zion. Beulah land, my soul is chanting thee, wanting thee, wanting thee. Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. You set up your evil system to work the people for nothing and think you would get away. Never. Someday you'll have to pay. to enforce your point of view. But tell me what you gonna do when the tables turn on you. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Unconscionable, plutocracy, living the life of diplomats. You watch the people struggle with the little that they got. You legislate your laws just to safeguard your outlaws who rob and rape and plunder the hard-working sufferers. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. As sure as the sunshine, beyond the skies, those whom you victimize get stronger and wise. The fire is blazing, while the tables are turning. Generations are learning. Now open up their eyes. Keep Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Say we keep Babylon, you're bound to reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. For your full attention. Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go that way, so that I never stray from thee. No way. As I journey on through life, this road seems never ending. Be my light so I might find the way that's narrow and winding. Help me hold my faith and lead me to thy gate. Let me enter in your pavilion of righteousness. Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go that way, so that I will never stray from thee. No way. I will sing of mercy and judgment unto thee, O Lord, and I will walk along thy path with a perfect heart. I will set no evil thing before my eyes, and I will give thee praise with each day I rise, and I will never get weary as long as you are here with me. I will walk uprightly.
at all. They fear the people them a ball. Yo, can't even find money to go shopping up a mall. They fear the people them a ball. Anyway, me tell them say the wicked man must have to go far. They fear the people them a ball. We tell them say to rise up and the feast stand tall. Hey wicked boy, do you ever hear the people them cry? Every day you get up and say some fight. Who you no send out, then and them you try buy. And tell them how much you clean and bonify. But when we check it out, you are we going to fry. You never hear nothing about the motherless cry. Never hear nothing about the fatherless cry. Every day you boom bye bye. Alright, time to hear the people them a ball. Yo, them can't make the pressure in a Babylon at all. Time to hear the people them a ball. Yo, me put a fire right on the house of fall. Time to hear the people them a ball. Yo, no fat burn me, I'm not gonna get in a the roll call. Time to hear the people them a ball. Yo, bigger judgment again the one and them. Yo, get to you to the better listen to this. Nothing was said this is Babylon every wish. Would I wish we see the people them jump over the cliff. And everything them do is send them down in the pit. Well, righteousness we get to youth now switch. Every day me see them gone for evil trip. The whole of them a blast off in at them spaceship. Too much biological killer and we get the people sick. Anyway, Rastafari still a gun your politics. I am Selassie says a natural mystic. The this money where you get the lightning stick. That's why let me tell you something again. You want to tell them? Hey, boom! Burn them up. King Selassie I will praise it. Burn them up. And the fire will be blazing. Burn them up. No time will be blazing. Burn them up. Life is so good. My God. Jump to yeah. Yo, Luciano, tell us something. What is it? Wicked Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible. I'm go burn them with the bass and the treble. I'm go burn them mad gun they and them treble. Yo! Burn wicked Babylon terrible. Get the man say. Burn them because them horrible. Alright. Burn them with the bass and the treble. Burn them mad gun they with the alright. Fireman a blaze and burn them man done. So we not gaze, we burn them man done. Burn ice age and burn them man done. Fire can't gauge, we burn them man done. Burn the dopey and the grave and burn them man done. Till I say I will praise and burn them man done. Tell them open up their ears and burn them man. Burn them man. Luciano say them a burn now. Watch out them a run, but there is no way to run. Burn dirty Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible. Mr. Burn them from the bass and the treble. Mr. Burn them man gun the with the treble. Burn wicked Babylon terrible. Yeah, the man say burn them because them horrible. Well, I say burn them from the bass and the treble. Yeah, Mr. Burn them man gun the with the treble. I gotta go and get what's mine. Don't stop my flow, don't stop my shine. I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonder and sign. I gotta go and get what's mine. Can't stop my flow, can't stop my shine. Cause I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonder and sign.
So even when the road get rocky, me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough get going. And my people don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No, Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Oh boy. A lot of youths in life say them can't take the pressure no more. But from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, I'm sure. The youth juggle pon the roadside. Babylon say fi take up your bag and go. Boy, but we still not give up. Me say we solid as a rock like Kalanje. Not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough gets going. One juggle your fruits, don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in, mama. Rastafari guide your knife from the beginning. Why oh why oh? Teacher not get paid, the government need for purge and process. Oh yeah. Police not get paid, so them find it hard for serve and protect. And all we get from the government is highlight bills and robust taxes. And them still a pressure the youth to run it hard on the road with them robot taxes. But there ain't no giving in. Go run your taxi, you. Hey, I said the tough gets going. Ba 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 yeah. Now give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No. Rastafari guide I whoa whoa. I said my people, we've been facing struggles for so long. Ja people, please me I beg you, please could you hold on? I know the system have you down and you feel pressed down like 50 feet. I thought the back of the victory sweet. Me say me still not give up, me just kiss me teeth, not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. Hey, how when the going get tough, I said the tough gets going. Jordan believe me, not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. Why you right? So I see I still a guide I and I. Ooh, why oh.